Morning glory. As you see, this will not stop. Double MG, Ricky Rose, the Empire. Let's network, man. Let's get to the money. You can see how it's going down. If y'all want to do it together, let's do it together. You want to do it separately, that's on you. I want to network. Biggest boss, Ricky Rose. I told y'all, we ain't playing no games. Ricky Rose, whenever y'all see that double MG, that's a $5 billion play. $5 billion play. Who want to go around the world with Ricky Rose? I'm letting y'all know right now. Let's take it around the world. Let's take our hustle around the world, not just in the U.S. Africa, what's up? Greece, what's up? We just left Monaco, big money. Oh, man. Let's go. Rose here to motivate you. I ain't never went 10 million sold. I ain't never went